Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. God has created so many beautiful things in this world, and the best example of the God's creation are these beautiful flowers, these green leaves, the pretty fruits, various kinds of beautiful animals. All these creations God has created for the best creation, that is human beings. Yes, I feel that the best creation of God are the human beings. So we should respect ourselves, we should love our co-creatures, we should help them if they are in some need. We should not discriminate on the basis of religion, caste, creed, etc. We should respect each other's feelings. And on this special day, that is on my birthday, just I want to say this, that live and let live. That will be the best and precious gift we will be returning back to God. So today on this special day, I want to make something special for you as well as for me. I am going to make one birthday cake that is very simple but very healthy and tasty. So let's get started. The ingredients needed for making our cake are all-purpose flour or maida, sugar, eggs, cashew nuts, cardamom, nutmeg, small piece of cinnamon stick, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla essence, butter and a pinch of salt. So while making the cake, we have to take accurate measurement. So I am taking this cup, I am taking 2 cups of maida, don't heap it, just the level of the cup we have to take. One and half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix it well, and with the help of a strainer we will strain this mixture into a bowl. So in the same measuring cup, I have taken 3/4 cup of sugar. I will transfer it into a mixer grinder. Some spices, nutmeg, cardamom, some sticks of cinnamon. So our sugar is ready with spices for the preparation of the cake. Now we will add 4 eggs into the same blender. Now we will add these 4 eggs into our blender. So the egg has become very frothy. So this should be the texture when we take it out from the blender. So now we will add this into a bowl. So in the same measuring cup, I have taken 1 cup of homemade butter. I will transfer this into the egg mixture. Half portion I am taking. Blend it nicely with a blender if you have, or otherwise you can continue it in the grinder also. So I will blend it in the blender. So remaining butter also I have added. Now blend it nicely. So our butter mixture is ready now. Now we will add the all-purpose flour into this. Little portions we have to add and mix it nicely and slowly. Only in one direction we have to rotate it. Don't rotate the spoon in opposite direction. Now add the remaining portion also. Now our batter has become smooth. If we feel that the batter is little hard, we can add some milk also to make this consistency. Now we have to add 1 spoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. By this time, preheat our oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. So I have taken this baking tray. Grease it nicely with little ghee. After greasing the tray, sprinkle some maida so that our cake doesn't stick and it gives a nice color, brownish color to our cake. So the flour has been sprinkled all around nicely. If you have butter paper, you can grease it nicely with some ghee and you can place it in the tray. No need to add this flour. So today I don't have the butter paper, so I am using this technique. Now pour the batter into this uniformly. So spread it in this way, uniformly all over. Now add these cashews as toppings so that when our cake is totally baked, it will look very nice. You can add even raisins also as per your taste. Here I am only adding the cashews. So just tap it nicely. So the oven is ready now. We will place this tray into this. Microwave the oven for 180 degrees for 60 minutes. We can even use the cooker. So I am going to cut my beautiful birthday cake. So all of you sing together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ammi. Happy birthday to you.
The cake, see, from inside also it's very spongy, baked very nicely. From outside it has turned out to be very brownish and crispy. Very beautiful and tasty cake. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.